Come on, defense!
Hey, 3 and out. A turnover would be better, though.
Let's get a turnover, baby. Let's go. Let's make a play. I'll make it. Don't worry about it. I'll make it.
That's how you play, boy. Great. Outstanding tackle.
He's scared of me. He's scared of me, and he knows it. He's scared of me. Hey, Coleman, he a bad boy. He a bad boy.
He wants to get shot. He told us, hey, sack me.
You smell blood, Mr. Ralph. We smell blood.
Don't get it then.
Oh, yeah.
They're coming.
Oh, just smack me in the head. Smack me in the head.
Hell of a
You good,
player,
brother?
hell of a player.
Yeah, you too, brother.
Hey, that defense look nasty out there.
Jam 10. 10. Jam them.
Get up and jam. Get up and jam.
Get in his face. Press him. Press him.
Finds the middle, and it is intercepted.
I got it. I got it.
He took the ball right out of his hand.
They spring. Intercepted by Khalil Mack.
Don't mess around with that big cat over there.
He played with fire. Roll with him. Championship defense do that, baby.